video begins, just remember to say like, share and subscribe. There's also Telegram links below, so if you guys want to join the public channel and my private channel, just check it out. And also the referral links to, like, if you want to open a demo or live account with my preferred brokers. It just helps support the channel too. Enjoy the video. Right, what's happening, guys, and welcome to the 26th of July on the Sunday evening yet again. Just a gentle reminder, Sundays is basically days just to kind of prep for the week ahead, update your charts, make sure you're ready and prepared for tomorrow morning if there is any trade setups, or give yourself a bit of an idea, optimize of last week's movements and prepare for the week upcoming. So that's just like a little bit of what I do, just like a bit of a reminder. So first of all, DAX we're going to start off with was we finally broke the previous high. Let me just change into the higher time frame. I am feeling really full because I had pizza and ice cream today, so my tummy is feeling very fat. But we're still onto the uptrend. The trend line that I had for the uptrend on the lower time, well, on the higher time frame, has finally been broken onto the lower side. So what we could do here is possibly see a break. So we've seen a break here. We could see a retest on this previous zone, so up and then back down, and then probably test this region and possibly these trend lines. That may be the outlook for the downside. However, all the EMAs are spreading out, looking for a higher high, and the uptrend is still there. It's just a little bit of a reaction zone now. FTSE, however, is looking pretty mean. There was a really nice short that we took last week. Very strong wick up to the previous zone. Every zone was tested perfectly right now on FTSE and looking to break for the lower low. In terms of indices, they're moving fairly nice at the moment, so there are some movements to be caught. I think like 3-4 days within the week, you know, the indices are doing quite well for you to take a trade. Forex as a whole has been quite difficult. Euro USD was an absolute surge to the upside, broke the previous high. I actually had a sell here, banked only 50 pips, and then I wanted to get the rest of the movement, but couldn't. The trade was void after that because it completely just the bullish trend was, well, the bullish movement just overrode it. Excuse me. Had a short trade here, which was really good, just from zone to zone. Basically, we broke through, had a new high, retested it, failed here, broke up again, retested, and then shorted this onto the end of last week. What I'm looking here for this week is possibly a retest on this trend line and then a break onto the upside. I need to see what Monday really brings. Also, we're at a zone for Euro, GBP USD could be on a potential reaction onto the downside, and then but overall looking onto the upside. And then yeah, basket is completely breaking. So if you guys review back to last week's basket video, I did say this zone was could be a retest zone, which I've basically written here, but that bar is very strong. So we've got to have a look at what happens this week. This week could have a continuation. We could even come to this zone here, but I tried to keep the basket chart quite clean so I can see it without kind of any bias. Let's have a look. USD JPY was really nice. I actually shorted once and then it came down after. If I just show you, I actually shorted which position? I actually shorted, where did I shorted here. So I shorted this position here, and was up because it retested this zone, and I was looking at a continuation. But what happened was it broke, hit the trend line, sat on the zone again, failed to break, and then completely threw up, or just broke all the way through, and completely smashed both TPs. So a little bit gutted about that trade because thesis was right, but the management for it was wrong. I can't really, like, to be honest, going back to USD JPY, I wouldn't have been able to take that any other way. The only other thing is I could have just focused onto the short here. But what I did do was I used GBP JPY. I took that trade based off USD JPY as well, which was the one I talked about here. So on the retest and then shorted all the way down to this zone. So it's just a very simple movement, zone to zone trade here. USD CAD looking lower. GBP GC is the one I wanted to show you. GC is the one I want to trade this week. I actually was looking at a long from here, missed it, and then it just completely broke through on Friday. So we're now at the previous high zone. So we're going to see how this movement goes. If we break up, could get a retest and then a continuation, or we could come back down, test this zone, break, hit, retest the trend line, and then break down. So I've got a bias for both directions. So yeah, it's looking okay. Euro AUD was a very good trade. My pending was here, but it failed to come through, wick straight down and then went up. But that was a really nice trade to review for last week. So I guess right now, all I'm really looking for is to set some pendings tomorrow, possibly after some movements have been met. And that's it. So I'll probably, let me think about what I could share with you guys today that could add value. So last week we talked about rules, trade management, trends, support, resistance. Optimization is something I could talk to you guys about. So it's really important to kind of review your trades, review your trading week, review good weeks and bad weeks, and optimize your trading in terms of getting better at it every day. So if I use it for maybe a few analogies, for example, if you're training and you're into bodybuilding or into fitness, sooner or later, if you focused on your chest muscles or something like that, they will grow. But however, they may overgrow, and you might have areas that you may lack and you need to focus on them. So for example, then you need to grow your arms and then your shoulders, or even to a point where if you're studying for like an engineering exam, you can't just be good at maths and not physics. You need to be able to have the whole rounder package. So what I'm trying to say is with trading is, don't just focus on money, don't just focus on trading, don't just focus on technicals. Have an all-rounded package, kind of be prepared, be a master of that craft. And then that way you'll be able to optimize your trading and become better at it. And then the other thing I want to finish off on is focus on your lane. At the end of the day, don't worry about what people are doing. Don't worry about the next person, the next man's kind of movements, whoever's doing whatever they're doing in terms of trading. Focus on you. Because at the end of the day, like, if you watch someone on Instagram, like, and they're posting like hundreds of thousands of pounds of profit and things like that, you got to ask yourself, like, that's not really relevant to you. It's motivating, which is good, but being motivating, consistent and disciplined, it doesn't actually help you. All it does is make you want money quicker. So I actually don't think it actually adds value. It might motivate you in that sense, but it doesn't really add value. So focus on your own lane, focus on your own movement, and you'll be able to get there step by step. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and help this channel grow. There's also IC Markets link below. I just need a few more people to kind of sign up, and that would greatly appreciate to support the channel. All right, much love. So just to note, guys, obviously thanks for watching the video. I wanted to make sure that you guys are aware there's two links below. This is the Telegram, which I post all my trades and reviews. So if you want to join that, you can basically learn off of these trades and take as you can. It's free information, so you know, I don't see why you wouldn't join. Then the other one is a public channel here, which has quite a few members which are joining now, and it's open to everyone to talk, from beginners to veterans and all types of traders. So yeah, join us on both Telegrams, and I'll see you guys soon. I just want to say, just before this video ends, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if it was helpful, remember to like, share and subscribe and comment. Just helps this YouTube grow a little bit. And if you are interested in learning a little bit more, there's a Telegram link below. So there's two. So there's a public one where all of the guys watching you guys, we're up to like 400 people, so it'll be good to look back on when we hit even more than 400, for everyone just to share their ideas, talk, everything. It's all positive environment only. And also there's another one where it's a private channel, which is just me sharing all my trade ideas, my charts, my outlook, my lessons, a little bit of my review, everything on that second Telegram. Then there's also preferred brokers. If you guys are looking to open a demo account or a live account, there are links below, or just message me, and that just helps support the channel. So I really appreciate if you guys could use the link and open with my preferred referral link, I guess. So once again, Wannabechamp out, aka Dan DC. Much love. One. Peace.